Did you know that testosterone levels in men have been dropping like crazy over the past few decades? It's wild, man. Studies have shown that the average levels of testosterone in men today are significantly lower than they were just a few generations ago. This isn't just a small dip, it's a dramatic decline that has caught the attention of scientists and health experts worldwide. We're talking a significant decrease, and it's affecting everything from our energy levels to our, well, low testosterone can lead to fatigue, decreased muscle mass, and even mood swings. It's not just about feeling tired, it's about a fundamental change in how our bodies function. Imagine waking up every day feeling like you're running on empty, no matter how much sleep you get. But here's the kicker. What you eat plays a huge role in your testosterone production. Your diet can either support your body's natural hormone production or hinder it. It's not just about avoiding junk food. It's about actively choosing foods that promote healthy testosterone levels. Think of your diet as the fuel for your body's engine. The better the fuel, the better the performance. That's right, the food on your plate can either be your best friend or your worst enemy when it comes to this stuff. Foods high in sugar and processed ingredients can wreak havoc on your hormone levels, while nutrient-dense foods can help keep everything in balance. It's a delicate dance, but one that's crucial for maintaining optimal health. So if you're ready to ditch the low-T life and feel like a goddamn man again, you gotta pay attention. It's not just about hitting the gym or taking supplements. It's about making informed choices every day. From the moment you wake up to the time you go to bed, every decision you make can impact your testosterone levels. It's about creating a lifestyle that supports your body's natural functions. We're diving deep into the top 10 foods that'll naturally boost your testosterone levels and have you feeling like a beast in no time. These aren't just any foods. They're powerhouses packed with the nutrients your body needs to thrive. From lean meats to leafy greens, we'll cover everything you need to know to make the best choices for your health. So get ready to transform your diet and your life. Welcome to Wellness Wise. Please like and subscribe. All right, let's kick things off with a classic eggs. I'm talking about whole eggs, not just the whites, people. The yolk is where the magic happens. Why? Because egg yolks are loaded with cholesterol, and guess what? Cholesterol is a crucial building block for testosterone. It's like the foundation of the whole damn thing. Plus, eggs are packed with protein and other essential nutrients that keep your hormone production in check. So scramble them, fry them, poach them, whatever you gotta do. Just get those eggs in your system. Next up, we've got another powerhouse, tuna. This stuff is like the king of the sea when it comes to boosting testosterone. Why? 2 words, vitamin D. Tuna is swimming in it, and vitamin D is like rocket fuel for your T levels. Plus, it's got a good amount of protein and healthy fats, which are also crucial for hormone production. So, next time you're at the grocery store, stock up on some tuna. Canned, fresh, whatever you prefer. Just make sure you're getting a good dose of that testosterone-boosting goodness. Alright, let's talk about beef. We all know red meat gets a bad rap sometimes, but when it comes to testosterone, it's a goddamn champion. Beef is loaded with zinc, which is like the gatekeeper of testosterone production. It helps keep your body from converting testosterone into estrogen, which is the last thing you want if you're trying to boost your T levels. Plus, beef is packed with protein and other essential nutrients that are crucial for overall health and hormone balance. So fire up the grill and throw on a nice, juicy steak. Beans, the magical fruit that boosts your T. Beans, the magical fruit. Turns out they're not just good for, well, they're also great for boosting your testosterone. We're talking about all kinds of beans here, black beans, kidney beans, lentils, you name it. These little guys are packed with zinc and vitamin D, 2 nutrients we already know are crucial for testosterone production. Plus, they're loaded with fiber, which helps regulate your blood sugar levels and keeps your hormones in check. So don't be afraid to add some beans to your next meal. Whether you're at the grocery store or planning your next meal, consider the humble bean. There are countless ways to incorporate them into your diet. From hearty chili to refreshing salads, beans can be a versatile ingredient. You can even enjoy them in soups and stews. Cooking beans is simple and can be done in a variety of ways. Add your favorite spices and herbs to enhance their flavor. Share them with your family and friends, and enjoy the health benefits together. And if you're into gardening, you can even grow your own beans at home. Freshly harvested beans can be a rewarding addition to your meals. Store them properly, and they can last for months, making them a convenient pantry staple. So, next time you're thinking about what to eat, remember the magical fruit that boosts your tea. Beans are not just nutritious, but also delicious. Enjoy them in every meal. Shellfish, shuck yeah. These little guys pack a tea-boosting punch. Now let's dive into the ocean again for some shellfish. Oysters, clams, mussels. These little guys are like nature's testosterone boosters. Why? Because they're loaded with zinc, which, as we've already established, is crucial for keeping your T levels high. Plus, they're a good source of selenium, another nutrient that plays a role in testosterone production. So next time you're feeling fancy, treat yourself to some shellfish. Pomegranates, the ancient fruit that packs a modern tea-boosting punch. Pomegranates have been revered for their health benefits for centuries, and for good reason. These little ruby red seeds are packed with antioxidants, which help protect your body from damage caused by free radicals. What does that have to do with testosterone? Well, free radicals can actually damage the cells that produce testosterone, so antioxidants are crucial for keeping those cells healthy and functioning properly. Plus, pomegranates have been shown to increase nitric oxide levels, which can improve blood flow and enhance athletic performance. Ginger, spice up your life and your tea levels with this powerful root. Ginger is another ingredient that's been used in traditional medicine for centuries, and it turns out it's a powerful testosterone booster as well. Studies have shown that ginger can significantly increase testosterone levels in men, possibly by improving the function of the testicles. Plus, ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory which can help reduce pain and improve overall health. I know leafy greens might not sound like the most exciting food on this list, but trust me on this one. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens are packed with magnesium, which is a mineral that's essential for testosterone production. Plus, they're loaded with other vitamins and minerals that are crucial for overall health and hormone balance. So, make sure you're getting a good dose of leafy greens every day. Olive oil is another one of those healthy fats that's absolutely crucial for testosterone production. It's rich in monounsaturated fats, which have been shown to increase testosterone levels in men. Plus, olive oil is loaded with antioxidants, which, as we already know, are crucial for protecting your cells from damage. So, ditch the vegetable oil and make olive oil your go-to cooking oil. Last but not least, we've got avocados. These creamy, delicious fruits are packed with healthy fats, including monounsaturated fats, which, as we've already established, are great for testosterone production. Plus, avocados are a good source of vitamin B6, which plays a role in hormone regulation. So go ahead and add some avocado to your next meal. Your taste buds and your testosterone levels will thank you. So there you have it, folks. 10 foods that'll naturally boost your testosterone levels and have you feeling like a goddamn champion. Imagine waking up every day with more energy, more drive, and a sense of vitality that you haven't felt in years. From eggs, which are packed with protein and healthy fats, and tuna, rich in vitamin D and omega-3 fatty acids, to beef, a great source of zinc and iron, and avocados, loaded with healthy fats and vitamins. These foods are packed with the nutrients your body needs to produce testosterone like a well-oiled machine. Incorporating these into your diet can make a significant difference in your overall health and well-being. Now I want to hear from you. Your journey to better health is unique, and sharing your experiences can inspire others. What are your favorite testosterone-boosting foods? Maybe you have a special recipe or a go-to meal that makes you feel invincible. Drop them in the comments below. Let's create a community where we can all learn and grow together. And hey, if you're serious about optimizing your health, it's not just about what you eat. It's about feeling like the best version of yourself, both physically and mentally. Make sure you check out my other videos on men's health. I've got tons of content that covers a wide range of topics. We're talking everything from fitness routines that can help you build muscle and strength, to nutrition tips that ensure you're getting the right balance of nutrients, to mindset strategies that keep you motivated and focused, and even relationship advice to help you build stronger connections. Let's do this together. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.